plant-based future, rewild our land. They're all straight off the Great Reset of the World Economic Forum and Bill Gates. And it comes after supporters of the group emptied out milk onto the floor of Harrods in July in protest against the dairy industry. Well, you know, this is my take on this and life and opinion. People should have the right to their opinion. They should have the right to live their life as they see fit, so long as they don't impose their choices on everyone else. We would live in a society then where people did what they chose to do without imposing what they chose to do on other people. Hello, on the Ickonic Connect, the news show this week. Have you heard of this? Sulfur hexafluoride. Well, if you believe in the official story of human climate change, be afraid, be very afraid, because sulfur hexafluoride is more damaging in terms of a greenhouse gas, 26,087 times more damaging than the demon carbon dioxide. So, ban it, stop it. Where is it being produced? Who's doing it? Well, sulfur hexafluoride is being emitted by wind turbines. The madness goes on and on, including in California, where they are banning diesel petrol vehicles for electric vehicles at a time that the electrical suppliers are saying, don't charge your electric vehicle because the grid can't handle it. So what happens when everything's electric vehicles? Go green. You know it makes sense. That's the Connect, the news show on Ickonic, every Saturday from 10 a.m. UK. And you can have a free 7-day trial with Ickonic anytime you want.